Okay, so what have we seen? Well, we've seen if we get an expression of the form x squared plus bx, what we can do is we can add and subtract b over 2 squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our expression, add b over 2 squared. Of course, we can't just add it. That would change things. But now we can look at these first three terms, and what did we learn? We learned that this is going to be x plus b over 2 squared. And then we'll still have this. So, what does this mean in practice? Let's try this for a few values of b. Suppose we have something like x squared plus 8x. And I want to rewrite this using our new technique. Well, how do I rewrite it? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my b, which is 8, and I'm going to add and subtract b over 2 squared. Well, what's b over 2? It's 4. And what's b over 2 squared? That's 16. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 16. That allows me to rewrite this as x plus b over 2 squared. So my b over 2 is 4. And I have this. So I've now rewritten x squared plus 8x as a square minus a constant. Why do I want to do this? Well, suppose I have x squared plus 8x happens to be equal to 24. What can I do? Well, I could move the 24 over to the left and try to factor. 24 has a lot of factors. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. What I could do is I could use this method and rewrite. I have x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 is equal to 24. Or I have x plus 4 squared minus 16 equals 24. That gives me x plus 4 squared equals 24 plus 16. So that's 30 plus 10, which is 40. And now I know that x plus 4 is equal to plus or minus root 40. Or x equals minus 4 plus or minus root 40. Well, if I wanted to, I could simplify that root a little bit. I mean, this is 4 times 10. So I could rewrite this by pulling out the 4, because this is square root of 4, square root of 10, or 2 root 10. And we've just solved our first problem by rewriting it as a square. Let's try to do some more like this.